Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2013 F15 Nissan Duke. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the 6th month 2010 to the 12th month 2019. This vehicle is fitted with a HR16DE 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. We have the left front door. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand rear tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right front door. We have the right-hand power door mirror. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black and red cloth interior. It has a tidy center console and a handbrake lever. Tidy automatic transmission gear stick. Factory climate control, AC controls. Left-hand sun visor in tidy condition. Has a tidy right-hand sun visor. Interior mirror. Automatic transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.